Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So anyways, on the Euro Yen monthly, I still think we are very likely in a wave 4, which I think time-wise should take about the same time as this wave 2, before we actually go up and make a wave 5. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, it looks like a wave A, it looks like a wave B, it looks like we're potentially already going down for a wave C. And, that means we're likely to make 5 waves to the downside for the 5 waves of C before we actually do turn to the upside. So taking it down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, we definitely have been making lower lows, lower highs, as you can see. I got my Fibonacci retracement out here just to look for areas of resistance. These Fibonacci levels are definitely areas of resistance, even if it does end up continuing the downtrend. They are very likely areas where the market will make bounces. So I'm definitely still looking for shorts, but only on pullbacks. So going down to the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on the last impulsive move down. We have a counter trend impulsive move, probably a wave A. We have a corrective move, higher low, probably wave B. We're probably are now in a wave C, which at this point is probably going to at least go to the 50, 61, maybe even the 78%. The Fibonacci level is not really important that it goes to. What's important is recognizing the three-way pullback, recognizing the impulsive engulfing move down with a break of structure to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, like I said, this move looks impulsive, probably an A. I bet this move down is a correction to the move up, wave B. I think there's a pretty good chance we're going up, and I think there's a pretty good chance that maybe the 61 is a likely area, maybe even the 78. But definitely don't neglect the 50%. There's a lot of support and resistance at that level also. So in a ways, like I said, it's not important what level. It's important that you recognize when it does get to a level and then it does make an impulsive move down with a break of structure, because that's the trade that I would be looking for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.